All right, your boy Seven Wilson back at you in the fresh Goldmoney hat. I just got back from Washington, D.C., was there for a wedding, and I opened up my mailbox and I have a package. Look at that. And it's from who else? Goldmoney. So let's see what it is. I really am not entirely sure what it is, but it looks like it could be a t-shirt of some sort. So let's check it out. I have to say that's a little bit easier to open than a mayonnaise bag, but you know. Woo! 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 1, 2, Goldmoney shirts, baby. Oh boy, I'm be looking fresh. All right, let's put this puppy on right now. So I think one is for Seven Wilson and one is for Seven Wilson's dad. Let's throw it on right now. Goldmoney. Mind the pale, don't mind the paleness. Goldmoney fresh tee and Goldmoney hat. I'm Goldmoneyed out, baby. Rock on. Thank you, Goldmoney. Thank you, Gold Matters. Rock on. Goldmoney, mayonnaise to the moon. Steamit.com, baby.